Okay, as the lockdown continues, let's go on with a bit more pantry cooking. Basically, this is going to be basically a meat lover's flatbread pizza. And all you really want to do here, the only thing I really need to show is just use a jar of standard spaghetti sauce. Doesn't matter which. Just a little bit of a standard spaghetti sauce. And we just want to soup it up by adding a few herbs and spices. I think I just did some pre-mixed Italian herbs. And a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. And then just stirred it in. You don't really need to add salt because the tomato sauce is kind of salty. Okie dokie. After the sauce is heated up to, I don't know, hot. I didn't really have a timer on it. I think I had it on the stove top for like 10 minutes or something over like a medium-low heat. You want to spread, not a ton of it, but enough so it doesn't get totally absorbed by your flatbread. And then you want to sprinkle on, it could be bacon, but this was just some pancetta I had left over from, I believe I made carbonara, and I bought a little too much. So you just kind of want to sprinkle a little bit of that down. You make this as meaty or as non-meaty as you like. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. There's really no measurements with this. And then this is just some deli-style salami I had in the fridge that I just kind of chopped up into little kind of tiny pieces. Don't worry, in the oven, these will crisp up and it'll kind of make a nice little crunch on your pizza. Then you want to add some pepperoni to this. This is just a bag of chunked up pepperoni. No need to really cut it yourself. And again, you want to spread a generous amount. It's really up to you. There's really no recipe with this. Remember, this is just using what you have in your fridge if you can't get to the store. No reason why you gotta use DoorDash. And then for good measure, I decided to add just a little bit more sauce on top of all the meat. This is just kind of, so, I don't know, I kind of like that, but you certainly don't have to do that. And then I'm just going to add some mozzarella. You certainly don't have to use the fresh stuff. You can certainly use the pre-shredded bag stuff, or if you got a block of it, just shred it up yourself. I just happened to grab this while I was at the market a couple of days ago. So then all you got to do is just pop it into a oven set to about 400 degrees. That's it. And after about 10 minutes, you should have something that looks like this. And that's Meat Lover's Flatbread Pizza. Done.